years ago, needing the solve on the last one.
He was the last solver at Worlds 2023. He's going to be the one to close out this World Championships. You can hear him calling out the flash. Once again, of course, they'll be dealt with.
This would be incredible redemption for Yihang after such a narrow miss in 2023.
Keaton Ellis, Felix Zemdegs, could you write a better story than this?
Absolutely not.
5.23 to win the World Championship, put a cap on an amazing career at just 11 years old. Xuan Yigang could also win it here. It all depends on this solve. And I'm not even going to commentate it. Yihang, take it away. And he's done it! Yihang Wang is your world champion. The absolute pop-off, 4.43. He's done it with an incredible average, 4.23. The podium is all sub 5. Worlds 2025 comes to an epic conclusion. Yihang Wang gets redemption and tastes gold at the World Championship.
2 years ago, did not make it on the last solve and loses to Max Park by 0.01. This time, Yihang takes it in fashion, winning by more than a quarter of a second.
Just amazing stuff from Yihang Wang. Training threes with Xuan Yigang. Here's Alyssa.
Here. This is your world champion, Yihang Wang. Yihang, congratulations. How do you feel?
一恒，首先非常的恭喜你，你现在感觉如何？
我感觉非常好，感谢大家。
I feel very good. Thank you, everyone.
Did you have any of your solves that stood out to you or any of the scrambles that were really interesting to you?
刚才你5次还原里面有哪次还原你觉得对于你来说很特殊吗？或者哪些打乱你觉得很让你记忆犹深吗？
我认为第一把非常特殊，因为我第一把就做的没有那么好，但是我后面4把稳住了。
I think the first solve was very special because I didn't do too well on the first solve, but luckily I was able to hold in for the next 4 solves.
I know you've been thinking about this for the last 2 years since the last World Championship. So what has the last 2 years looked like for you and how does it feel to finally be here?
我们知道，自从上一次的世锦赛，你肯定一直想要拿到这个世界冠军的位置。那么，所以我们想知道这2年你都在想什么？然后现在这个时刻对于你来说，代表什么呢？
我认为我这2年的训练就是非常的辛苦，但是我这次拿了世锦赛冠军之后，我认为就代表就是我拿了3届平均、3届单次，还有世锦赛的冠军。
Well, it has been 2 very difficult years for me, but now I'm happy that I got the world champion, the 3x3 single, and the 3x3 average records.
Yihang, congratulations. This is your world champion, Yihang Wang.
Bask in the glory.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're getting ready for our closing ceremony, our awards.